Shortcut to manually reload file from disk. Now that I can turn off the annoying reload pop-ups, I would like a quick way to manually reload the file I am working on in Notepad++ via the keyboard. Looking at the File menu, Reload from Disk does not have a shortcut. Is there a hidden shortcut that you know of or some way to map one built in?
You can use the shortcut mapper under the Settings menu to assign a shortcut for this.
Go to Settings, Shortcut Mapper. Select the first tab, Main Menu. Find the Reload from Disk option. Put an unused shortcut.
While above answers are not wrong, it is already built in, Alt then L. Or File, Reload from Disk.
Watch.